My name is Brian Stacks. This is week 2 project deployment, final project, Full Sail University. This week I will be giving you the second look at my app, and a lot has changed since the first week. A lot of design changes that were implemented in the first week have been made and tested and put in place. A lot of the errors and erroneous things that was happening last week have developed more and got more clear and concise. The data that we've been formatting and using for the app has really evolved and is starting to really shape form of exactly what we need for this app. Um, so I'm just going to go ahead and get in and show you. We're going to go ahead and log in um, with the user. Or actually, let me do this first. We're just going to go ahead and get the forgot password. So we're just going to enter in an email here, hit reset password, and then an email containing your information how to reset your password has been sent to be stack78@gmail.com. Okay, we just hit back to login, and if we checked our email, we would get a email containing a link to reset your password. And in the sign up page, we've added an extra re-enter password field, and them have to meet up before you can sign up. But I've already signed up with a user, so I'm just going to sign in with my user, Steam.com, and password is just the same thing here. Testing.com. We should log in. It should take us to our home page. And a lot's changed here. As you can see now, instead of just having a username above the cell and spaces in between the photos and pictures, we put the username as an overlay over the photo and the place name at the bottom. So the username is up here. You can click on that to either click on the follow message, or you can just cancel to close out that view. You can see their comments, and now we have got the star ratings for each user's ratings coming through and showing correctly. And as you can see, it looks a whole lot cleaner this way. More image, still getting some good information with the text and the stars with the ratings, and future implications will have a share button where you'll be able to share that post to your social media site. You'll also have these buttons up here which have not been implemented yet. Right now we're my all, and it's not selected, but it will be. And that was the view you're getting now. And then you'll have a my followers with people you're following. You can just see their posts, or you can just see just your reviews, just set out like it would be on the wall. We'll click over here to the local places. And I did not set a location. I'm going to set a location real quick. I'm sorry about that. And as soon as you see the location, you can see we get the list of places, close places. And I have a problem. See the pins showing up late on the simulator. On my devices, they drop immediately. So I don't know if that's just something to do with simulator or just the way I've got something coded. Haven't got to messages yet. It's still pretty much the same. The logout does work on all views now. My review. I was having problems with the images overlaying over top of the labels, and it was covering up everything, and it just really didn't look good. And I've finally got that sufficed. Got these coming out to where you can click on one, and you'll go right over into a detail view, and in this detail view you can hit edit to edit the details of this place, and you'll be able to edit the photos, the name, the address, the comments, or the rating if you hit edit. So we'll go back to my review. We'll go ahead and add a place here. As you can see, we've done a little house cleaning on our form. We think it's better this way with just the two entrants of text, and then a picker to pick the type with preset and then the rating. Of course, you can add. We'll just do week 2 test will be our place name. We'll just say the same for our address right now. We'll select a type. Cafe. Why not? We'll do a 4-star rating. Let's add a photo here. And before it had an image view below that would show you. Now we're taking the buttons image and replacing it with our new image. As you can see there. We're just going to add a few comments here. We're just going to throw some gibberish there. Sorry about that. We'll hit save. And after it gets done saving, we will put a loading animation there. And as you can see it, we had 3 before. And there's our week 2 test. We can click it. We'll go week 2 test, week 2 test, picture, gibberish. The rating is not coming through on the details page, which needs to be implemented. A very small amount of code that I forgot. That is the My Place. So another big change this week was the profile page. Profile page was not liked by the stakeholder. Needed a complete overhaul. So we went and tried to do more of an up-to-date profile page. So here you'll have the profile picture right here. You can change that. Let's just change it to this one. And whoa, now I do not like that. You know what? I had fixed that because it happened actually on the device with the iPad, and I'd fixed that code for the iPhone, excuse me, and I forgot I'm running this on the iPad. I might have to change that code around for the iPad. So anyway, well, we've changed it to where you can now just click the picture to change the profile picture. Click on edit to either one of the user email or the username. Click on the reset password. You'll get a notification and a email to reset, and then this will have, it's not implicated yet because it's not, the database ain't been fully set up for this part of it yet, but you'll have the followers. It'll give you your number. You'll be able to click on this and it will pop up a view that'll show you a list of your followers. And our settings page has changed a little bit. We had it to where right here where it says settings in the radius 5 miles, you could change your user image there, but it didn't make sense to change image in 2 places, especially back-to-back tabs. So what we've done here is, instead of showing you that, we're going to show you the radius that you've selected. So we can change it 25 miles, and it should update, and it has all day until I got to this, of course. But now it's acting a little laggy everywhere. That might be the problem. So let's go back to my logo places because the radius should have changed. Yeah. See, the list is actually bigger now with more, with different places. So the radius did change. For some reason my label is not updating, and it was, but that will be fixed definitely by the morning. So not too many problems, no crashes this time around for the week 2, so that's always a plus. So we will be looking forward to giving you our next update, which I think is Thursday.